In today's video, I'm going to teach you Webflow, how to add a contact form, lead capture, surveys, feedback. Whether you want to collect leads, run a quick survey, or gather customer feedback, Webflow's built-in form tools make it fast and flexible. We'll start in the designer, add a contact form to a page, and tweak the success message so it feels on brand and helpful. First, go to Webflow and open the project where you want the form to live. Head into the designer, then navigate to the exact page or section that should hold the form. It helps to have your layout planned ahead. Think about where a visitor naturally expects to see a contact or feedback form, like a dedicated contact page, a landing page hero, or a support section. Next, open the Add panel. You'll find it on the left side of the designer. Clicking the plus icon reveals components you can drop anywhere on the canvas. If you already have a section or container set up, select it first so the form lands in the right place and keeps your structure clean. Now click on Layouts. Layouts are pre-built patterns that save time and ensure consistency. They come with spacing, alignment, and styling that match common use cases, which is perfect when you want to stand up a form quickly without rebuilding from scratch. In the Layouts panel, type a form into the search bar. This filters the options so you can immediately find form-related layouts. You'll see choices like a standard contact form. These presets typically include fields like name, email, and message, which cover most lead capture and feedback scenarios. If you're planning a short survey, you can still start here and adjust the labels to match your questions. Select the contact form layout to insert it onto your page, then customize it. Click any label or placeholder to update the copy and mark fields as required if they're essential. Rename the submit button to match your tone. Submit, send, request a quote, or share. Feedback all work well. For the congrats or success message, switch to the success state of the form and rewrite the text so it sets clear expectations like, thanks for reaching out. Expect a reply within 1 business day. Keep the tone consistent with your brand and make sure it reassures the visitor that their message was received. You can also refine the error message for clarity, so users know exactly how to fix issues like a missing email. That's it. You went to Webflow, opened the Add panel, browsed layouts, searched for form, and selected a contact form you customized, especially the success message, to capture leads, surveys, and feedback with confidence.